Hello friends, my name is Rodia and today we are going to learn how to create a flower design in Python. So first, we're going to open VS Code and then you'll have to open your Python file. Then write from turtle import asterisk and after that you have to write import color sys. Then we're going to write speed 0. Then we will write pen size 3. Then we'll write bg color black and hue is equal to 0. Now we are going to write for I in range 300 call is equal to color sys dot hsv underscore to rgb hue comma 1 comma 1. So now we are going to write pen color call. Then we are going to write hue plus equals 0.005. So now we are going to write circle five minus I comma 100. After that we are going to write it 80. Then we are going to write circle 5 minus I comma 100. After that we're going to write RT 100. So after that, now we are going to write done. So after that, you have to click on terminal and click new terminal. Then you have to write Python flower .py or whatever the name your Python file is. So yeah, we're going to change this to LT. And after that, we're going to write Python flower.py, and you'll have to include the name of your file here. The name of my file is flower.py, so I write flower.py. So after that, this should be the results. And if you do not have color SYS yet, the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.